Hello, my name is George Nenni with Generations Digital, and welcome to our Google Analytics 4 training series designed specifically for car dealers. Today we're going to show you how to connect Google Ads to Google Analytics 4. So first of all, what is Google Ads? Google Ads is the tool or the platform that your paid search agency, or if you're a large enough group, maybe you run your paid search yourself. Well, Google Ads is the tool that you use to run your paid search. I like to think of Google Ads as a cash register because Google Ads knows all the dollars that are involved. It knows how much money you've spent each month on paid search. It knows all the campaigns and how much you've spent on each campaign. It knows all the keywords you're buying and how much you're spending on each of those. That's called cost per click or CPC. Google Ads also knows for Performance Max, it knows all those campaigns, but it doesn't know a lot of intelligence around that. So we need to still look in GA4 for the landing page. And so it's important to remember there's two different data sets really involved in a paid search campaign. There's Google Ads, which, as we mentioned, is the cash register. You know, what keywords are we buying? What did the consumer search for? Which is super important, right? We want to look at that data. What did the consumer search for compared to what we're buying? But it doesn't know anything about really the click quality. We have to use Google Analytics 4 to then look at the click, and when the click arrives, say, you know, did the click stay? What page did it land on? Did it advance to additional pages? Did it click on the photo carousel and advance the photo carousel? Did it click to call or generate a lead form or a trade form or a digital retail lead form? Did it chat with us? All those questions we want to ask. But we have to be able to connect that Google Ads, the cash register, to Google Analytics 4 in order to really unlock that reporting. That's not something that's automatically done. And so what you want to do is you want to go to your agency who's running your paid search, and you want to say, I need you to connect Google Ads to our Google Analytics 4 account. Now, the agency will ask you for access, so the dealership will have to provide the agency with editor access. They don't need to be admin. That's a common mistake. They only need to be editor access on the Google Analytics 4. And then, of course, they're already admin on the Google Ads. And once you have those permissions, then you can easily connect it. And I'll show you how you can check your Google Analytics 4 to see if yours is connected to Google Ads. So here we are. We're at the home page of GA4. And we're just going to drop down here to the gear icon in the lower left-hand corner. And we'll click there on the gear icon, and we can see all of our different settings. And we want to scroll down here to the product links, and we want to check the Google Ads link. So we're going to click there and see if we've got Google Ads set up. Now this is actually my Google Ads account for Generations Digital, for a little bit of advertising we run there. And so that shows you that it's connected. And then, if you wanted to make double sure that it's connected, when you go into your advertising menu, you're going to see that connection. You're going to see some data flowing through here. But more importantly, when we click on Google Ads, we'll now have the ability to be able to see data. I don't have any active campaigns, but you'd see those here, your cost per click, and all those different variables. In addition, when you're in explorations now, I'm jumping over to the Explore tab here. I've got a couple of videos on explorations in this series, and so you can go and you can look and see how to build explorations. But if I just do a blank exploration here, I just want to see if my dimensions, if my Google Ads dimensions, and if the Google Ads metrics have made it over there. I'm going to click here on dimensions, and I'm going to look here, and they will all start with a prefix of Google Ads. So let's just start typing that, Google Ads. And there we go. There's all of our dimensions. So when we're using these, we have to make sure that we use the Google Ads campaign versus just the normal campaign name to be able to get those metrics. Let's jump, or dimensions rather, and let's jump out of here and we'll go into metrics. And we should have some Google Ads metrics here as well. So cost, which is the total amount you've spent on your campaigns, the Google Ads clicks. And then the Google Ads cost per click. Of course, if you take the cost per click times the click, you'll equal the cost. Impressions, lots of other metrics here that we can report on. And so once you make that connection, you're not going to see these metrics or the other dimensions I showed you until you make that connection. But once you make that connection, then you can build some nice explorations, really diving deeper into your Google Ads, your paid search metrics. So I hope you found this video useful. If you subscribe to our YouTube channel, you can know when we have new videos that we posted. If you want to learn more about Google Analytics 4, I've got books on Amazon. If you search for my name on Amazon, George Nenni, you'll see a car dealer's guide to Google Analytics 4. There's another book also on Google My Business, and there's also a Google Business Profile, that is, and also a book on general automotive digital marketing. If you want to learn more about our company, just search for my name and you can find generationsdigital.com and learn more about what we do. But thank you for watching. I hope you found this useful, and good luck in your GA4 learning.